Here we are again, got another unboxing, but this one's a little different than the usual. We're going to be unboxing an amplifier here. We've been doing a lot of Chinese guitars, and lately we've been doing the J200s, and they're great, and they come with their own electronics, and we realized that most amps are not geared towards acoustics. So here's Marshall's latest effort. It's geared towards acoustics, and it just arrived, so we're about to open it up and take a look at it, and ultimately we're going to try it and sample it. So you can join us for the unveiling here. I've already gone ahead and moved the staples out of the way, and so we'll just practice. And this is the Marshall acoustic amp. It's an AS50D, and apparently has quite a few different functions in there, so we're looking forward to investigating it. Let me just open that. Let me open that. I'll pull this out in one shot. Over here on the chair. Okay, that was the back of it. Here's the front. Looks like it has a protected piece of paper over it. And there it is. Voila. That's beautiful. Very tough finish, and got all these nice supports on the corners for impact, if ever. Good looking stuff, yeah. So we're going to have to go get our J200s, our Chibsons, plug this in. Won't you come back and join us for the sample? See you soon. Well, we're ready for you. We've tuned it all up, and we're ready to do a little sample, play a couple of chords for you. And we've also brought along the Marshall AS50D, an acoustic amplifier here that we're also going to be playing through. But first we're going to try a couple of chords acoustically to give you an idea of how it sounds before we move on to the amplifier. So here we go. So now we'll turn on the amplifier, the Marshall AS50D, and we have a setting already, a very basic setting on there now, but here are the same chords, and hope you enjoy. So yeah, this has been, again, very basic settings. Everything's kind of in the mid-range, nothing's too high or low, no too heavy bass or mids or trebles or any of that, and no big gain or any. It's very clean and clear. But it also comes with a beautiful option. You got the microphone plug-in right there, where you could actually sing along as you're playing. And you could even have another guitar plugged in. You could have two guitars playing and singing. And you also have an RCA in and out there to choose from as well. And a couple of buttons that will change your sound as soon as you use them. So it's proven to be another beautiful addition to the studio here. And if you don't have yourself an acoustic orientated amplifier, then there's you don't really know what you're missing, because it is a good addition. You might want to consider getting yourself one. And as far as the old Chibsons, hey, you can't go wrong. Thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you again.